In today's video, I want to guide you on how you can make your desktop look cool, pretty, look awesome. When you on your system, you will even enjoy what you see on the desktop. A lot of desktop is full of shortcuts and somehow it's embarrassing and sometimes it's not that okay. So this video is for you if you want to make your desktop to look so cool. So watch this video to the end. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you clean your desktop very well. And do that is very simple. Right click on any free space on your desktop, move your mouse over view, then click on show hidden desktop. Once you do that, everything on your desktop will be taken away. That is the first thing you have to do. Now that I've done that, come to the taskbar here, right click on it, click on taskbar settings. Doing so brings to this interface. Now come to the search button here, click on it, then click on hide button. Once you've done that, then you're going to hide some of the things at the taskbar here. Then turn off task view, turn off widget, turn off resume. With this thing in places, then you are good to go. Then scroll up a bit until you have access to what is called taskbar behavior. Some device call it taskbar alignment. So my own is taskbar behavior. Tap on it or click on this button. Then click on this button to make it center. You see that shifted everything to the centers here. Though this might hard to do with you. If you enjoy center, you may like it. You may leave it at center. But if you want to be at this side, then it's good. So let's leave it this like this. Now that I've done that, then close this. You have been able to do one of the best things that you need to do on your device. You can see that this is very good now. Then I have a link in the comment section. That is the link you need to do now for the project to be open for you. Click on the link and open the file. Once you open the file, download everything in that folder. Once you download the folder, it comes out like this. It's 3 in number. The first one is skin. This one, you have this one, you have this one. Now that I've downloaded it, then extract this one, this skin, extract it to give you this one. Then this one is on your own. Now that I've done that, double click on this one and open this one. Just double click and run this one on your device. Once you've run it, I've run it on my device. Once you've run it, then you are good to go. Now come to this notification center here. You have it here. Right click on it. Once you right click on it, over your mouse on desktop here, then click on clear. Now that I've done that, close this page, click on this button, go to Microsoft Store and click on it. So in the search bar here, search for Lively Wallpaper. This particular app, click on it. Once you click on it, here you see get or install. Click on it and install this on your device. Once you've installed it, click on it and open it. Now click on this plus icon. Now go to the folder you've opened here. Drag this one into this place. Once you've dragged everything, then you see it's loading here. Click on OK. That has been added. Then you have something like this on the screen. You can see that has transformed our desktop to this. Now go back to the folder you open here. Here you have this folder. Now extract this. If you have not extracted it, extract it. Then double click and open this skin. Click on it again. Once you click on it, you have this information here. So install Rainmeter. Follow the screen process and install this on your device. It's very simple. Click on OK. Click on Next. Click on Install. Click on Yes. So the solution won't take longer than expected. Click on Finish. Now, to get this, you have to remove this information. But to get this information is very simple. Come to this place. Then here search for Rainmeter. Here is Rainmeter. Click on it to open this app on your device. Once you open the app, you have something like this on your device. Right click on this, then click on unload this skin. Right click on this one, unload. Right click on this one, unload. Right click on this one, unload. So you've been able to unload this skin and it's amazing and cool like this. Now you need to open this folder. Open this one again. Open the skin. Now copy this one and this one. Copy the two. Open document on your device. Once you copy it, open document. Come to Rainmeter. Open it. Then open the skin. paste it here. The two folder you copied, now it has been sent to this place successfully. Close this place, then come to this notification here. Right click on Rainmeter, click on manage. Once you click on manage, you have yourself at this place. It brings this interface. Then click on this button. You have all this information here. You have clock, disk, Google, network, recycle bin, system, and welcome. So let's expand it. Expand the clock, add this clock here, click on load, then go to disk, expand disk, add this disk and this. If you like, you may add the two together. Let's add it together. Add disk 1, click on load, then add disk 2, click on load. Come to this one, click on Google, click on load. Come to network, click on it, click on load. So as you are loading them, you see that this customize comes up here. Then click on recycle bin, click on it, click on load. Then click on system, click on it, click on load. Then the last one, click on welcome, click on this one, click on load. Now that I've clicked on all this, then click on refresh all. Once you click on refresh all, you still have something like this. Then click on this AGRO. You have a lot of options here. Click on them as well. Click on load. Just load everything that you see here. Click on it and load. Anyone that you don't want, once you load it, we're going to remove them by unskin or them. Click on this, click on load, then click on this time, then click on load. Then let's click on this illustration. You have so many information here that you can load. Now that you did all this, then you can now close this button here. Once you close the button, you have something like this on your screen. Now if you want, this is, to me, I don't like it. So all I want to do is you can unskin this that has been taken away from that place. Then this date, I think I want to put this date here. Let's bring this one here. Network, I want to access my network here. Then let's see this one. I don't like this one. Codes, unskin this. Let's see this one. Recycle bin, let my recycle bin be here. Then let my Google be here. Then this one, good afternoon. I don't like this one. I want to unskin this one. Then this one, I don't like this one as well. I want to unskin this one. So then this network, here I have my network here. But this one sometimes is not good because it exposed my IP address. You see my IP address is here. So I want to unskin this one as well. I want to unskin this one. Then let me take a look at what I have here. Then this system is okay. I will let my system be here. So then today's date is here. I like this one to be here. Then my disk should be here. I think this looks good for me. And this date is here now. I have access to this date and like this. So guys, with this, my desktop has been cool. I mean, amazing. And that's all guys. If you enjoy what I've explained this video on how to make your desktop look clean and neat, and you've not subscribed to this video, please subscribe to this video. Don't forget to follow us for more important videos like this.